everyone, welcome back to our channel. For today's video, I'll be showing you how you can send gold stickers on Monopoly Go. Let's start by launching Monopoly Go on your phone. In the main tab, tap the album section located at the bottom part of the screen. Now, navigate to the stickers that you want to send. Basically, for the normal stickers, here are the only stickers that you can send to other people. To send normal stickers, tap the stickers that you have an extra. Then press Send to Friend button below. Then, when we go to the gold stickers, it shows here that it can be gifted to anyone. The only way for you to obtain this sticker is through playing the game, and if you are lucky enough, then you can obtain this by buying this chest here. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. If you have any questions, drop them below, and we'll see you on the next video.